बोलो N2. N2. देख है. N2. N2.
Hi, I'm Shalini Patra. I'm an educator and currently I'm working as a Managing Director and Principal of Moadi Chafur Public School, Vijayanagar.
Good morning.
How nice.
My mother is from Lisu tribe. Lisu tribe is one of the tribe of Arunachal Pradesh. My father is from Odisha. It is my first year here, but this school has been it has completed 15 years in Vijayanagar. So if you dig into the history of this place, there was no proper road connectivity. What you see now is the basic that we got. And earlier people had to walk for maybe 5-6 days continuously to reach Vijayanagar from Miao, which is a town. And my grandfather was in a government service. He is an retired SB officer. So he felt the need for a private school here because the education that he got, the basic education that he got, he felt that there was no school here and people did not want to come here. So I think 15 years back, he thought of this idea that maybe we can have a private school here, and that's how he came up with this idea. He still keeps telling me that, when I complain about this place and the problems here and the challenge that we face, sometimes I also complain to him, but then he tells me that, it has evolved over the years. So back if we go back to 15 years ago, then people's mentality, it was very difficult. The biggest challenge was the people's mentality here. He had to maybe visit each house and then convince the people that their kids should be sent to school. And people also took it otherwise that, this is a private school, so they want, maybe just because of the money, they want their kids to be sent here. But it was not like that. Maybe the exposure he has seen as a government officer, he wanted his community to evolve. And that was a pure reason why he opened the school 15 years back. So past year, I have dedicated the entire year into understanding this village and the needs of the school. So this year I'm planning to cater all the needs and whatever the requirement is. But also last year I tried my best to implement whatever I have brought in along with me. Since this school is quite old, my uncle has been giving everything he could. But me coming from, maybe if we are talking about exposure, I have more exposure. So maybe I'm bringing in all those things whatever I have learned or maybe have gained from my experiences. So this year I'm trying to focus more on LKG and UKG, the younger classes, so that we can work on the basics and maybe it might help the future generations. Kids here, first of all, they're full of energy and they're very keen to learn. So we in school, we keep telling them about other cities. They have never been, there are many kids who have never been outside Vijayanagar. And there are kids who have never even seen Dibrugarh, the town that you came from. So we keep telling them about Delhi and Mumbai and how these places have more exposure and how they can also get the exposure by reaching there.
तो दूर जगह जाना है?
यस मैम।
कहाँ पे जाना है?
तमिलनाडु।
तमिलनाडु जाना है? अभी गई थी मैं तमिलनाडु, बहुत अच्छी जगह है, बिल्कुल जाओ। कभी गए हो कहीं?
नो मैम।
नो? कहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा जाने का मन है?
बेंगलोर।
I think what I heard from them, from both my grandparents, was that initially when they started with this idea, people did not really think that kids should go to school because they thought this is the only world they have. People thought that education would send away their kids outside, and that they thought that because most of the people here are into farming, so they thought after the next generation also has to go into farming. So they thought education was of no help. Initially, there were very few people who came up with, sending their kids to school.
तुम लोग क्या करते हो? खेती? पढ़ाई किया? पढ़ाई छोड़ दिया? कहाँ तक पढ़ा? 10? कहाँ से पढ़ा? पढ़ाई करना अच्छा नहीं लगता था?
लगता है, पर 11 में खराब हो गया था।
11 में खराब हो गया था? अच्छा। जो गोरखा लोग के गांव है वहाँ पे किसी को नहीं जानते?
जानते हैं।
वहाँ पे भी दोस्त हैं? वो लोग क्या करते हैं?
पता नहीं, अभी तो ज़्यादा नहीं मिले क्लास का। पहले स्कूल जब जाता था तब दोस्ती होता था, अभी तो
स्कूल छूटा तो दोस्ती छूट गई, इसलिए कॉलेज जाना था ना, फिर और दोस्त बनते 11-12 में। 11-12 फिर कॉलेज के 3 साल। कब हो गया आपका शादी? 10th में कर लिया था क्या?
नहीं, क्लास 9 में।
क्लास 9 में कर लिया था शादी? ये बात तो मुझे बाहर बतानी पड़ेगी लोगों को, ये तो अलाउड नहीं है हमारे देश में। कैंसिल कर दिया था ये चीज़ तो, पता है ना? तो फिर मम्मी पापा को बोला नहीं? कितने साल में शादी हुआ?
18 में।
18 में।
But now, as you can see, the time has changed and we have very less dropouts here, very less.
अपने बच्चे को तुम भेजोगी स्कूल कॉलेज कि उसको भी कटा दोगी 10th के बाद? अभी कौन सी क्लास में हो?
10, 6, अभी 9 क्लास में पढ़ रहा है।
8 पढ़ाई
करती हूँ।
कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ाई करती हो?
7 क्लास में।
7 क्लास में।
We only have till grade 8 here. So kids, after they pass out from our school, they majorly go to Miao because we don't have centers here, board centers.
स्कूल भी मैट्रिक तक जैसा तैसा ही चल रहा है। मैट्रिक का एग्जाम देने के लिए तो मियाओ में जाना पड़ेगा।
So Miao is again 8 hours journey, 8 to 10 hours. So they go there, they complete their 10th, and they get stuck in Miao itself. They do not go further. So one major thing that I'm looking forward in the future is that maybe if I can bring class 9 and 10 here, and maybe if I can guide them more about how they can also opt for schools outside, maybe not school but colleges outside, because after they complete their class 12th from Miao, they again join their college in Miao itself, most of the students from here, which again is not bad, but exposure is definitely required for this community here because it is one of the remote corners of India.
तो हम लोग का बच्चा पढ़ के भी जब एग्ज़ाम देने के लिए, जो मैट्रिक का एग्ज़ाम देने के लिए मियाओ में जाना पड़ता है, यहाँ में सुविधा नहीं है, इंटरनेट नहीं है, तो मियाओ में जाना पड़ता है।
I definitely feel that government should look into this matter on an urgent basis, and I think they're trying to. The major reason being Namdapha National Park, which is also a tiger reserve. So maybe they face few challenges in bringing up the network connectivity here, which is one of the reasons I have been given by the local people here, the local community. They have been trying since past many years, but still you see the kind of network that we get here. So on a personal note, definitely ma'am, we should. And like I said, I want to extend my school and maybe bring up class 9 and 10 here, and maybe have a board center someday in this region so that the kids don't have to go outside, because class 9 is, they're hardly 15-16 years, maybe even younger than that. So I don't think they are capable enough to go stay in Miao alone, renting a place. We have a major dropout in class 11 and 12 from this community, so which can be one of the major reasons that kids have to go out, leave their homes in such a young age.
और ये क्या करती है?
ये स्कूल पढ़ाई
स्कूल में हो?
वन
कौन सी क्लास में?
कौन सी क्लास? वन SSC.
What I believe personally is quality education can bridge gaps. So here, I think even the parents are more convinced that bookish knowledge is the only thing the kids require. If you see, the culture of tuition is huge here. So after the school, they give tuitions back to back. So what I feel that kids should not only do the books, but also they have to learn through their own experiences. So what we do here, what I try to do is sometimes I make them do activity-based learning, which is again very new, quite new for the people here.
क्या पढ़ रहे हैं सब लोग? ड्राइंग का पीरियड है?
I also get responses like that, that sometimes I don't know what ma'am is doing in school. She's not letting the students open the book, and maybe she's only doing activity. Sometimes people do talk, but I feel the kids have to learn from their own experiences. So I feel, ma'am, activity-based learning should be given priority because the generations have evolved. It's not like us who used to just mug up things. I remember in my school days, I used to only mug up and maybe only books. I was into books a lot. But then nowadays, the kids, they have, the mobile phones have come, generations have evolved. So I think activity-based learning or maybe something, not only book.
Hello, Juna. Hello. Juna is feeling shy. Juna ने क्या बनाया है? दिखाओ. क्या बनाया जूना? क्या ड्राइंग किया? एरोप्लेन. जूना को पास्टर बनना है बड़े होके, प्रीस्ट, है ना जूना? पास्टर बनना है ना? जूना का भैया कहाँ पे है? वो देखो, जूना का भैया. हेलो, वी मीट अगेन. जूना का भैया को भी प्रीस्ट बनना है ना? है ना? जूना के भैया ने क्या कलर किया? Christmas.
How many teachers?
We are 6 of us.
And they are all from the local community?
No, ma'am. One teacher is from a different community, from Arunachal only, one of the tribes of Arunachal Pradesh.
Okay, and the rest are all from Vijayanagar itself?
Yes, from Vijayanagar.
And they teach all the subjects, or there's a separate teacher for each and every subject?
Yes, so this year we have majorly the younger kids. So we mix up the subjects.
What board do they study? Is it
CBSE.
the CB?
Yes, ma'am. It's a CBSE school, recognized school.
पढ़ाई कंप्लीट कर लिया मैंने और ये बीएड भी कर लिया. पढ़ा रही थी मैं, फिर अभी छोड़ के यहाँ पे पढ़ाने का इरादा है अभी अपने गांव में बच्चों को, तो इसलिए अभी छोड़ के यहाँ पे अप्लाई करने के लिए मैं यहाँ पे आई.
कहाँ पे पढ़ा?
मैं खारसंग में. हाँ जी, एक प्राइवेट स्कूल है, वहाँ पे मैंने 4 इयर्स मतलब पढ़ाया एक्सपीरियंस के लिए. फिर अभी यहाँ पे फिर पढ़ाने के लिए मैं आ गई हूँ. यहाँ पे अप्लाई करूँगी अभी अगर होता है तो.
They generally don't approach me for basic issues, but they do come up to me if in case they feel that their teachers cannot cater their questions. So they feel I am the head, or maybe I am the prime person to approach whenever they require something that they feel cannot be solved by their teachers. But mostly teachers are very helpful here. So they do take up most of the jobs, so that I don't have to look into it.
What do you teach, ma'am?
English.
Oh, you're the favorite teacher.
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Jeji Longri.
Daisy.
Jeji.
Okay. She's you're her favorite teacher.
Yeah, we stay together in hostel.
Oh, you live in a hostel?
Yeah.
Where are you
Shalini
from?
ma'am.
Where are
I'm
you
from Jerampur.
Most of the kids are from this village and the nearby villages, but there are a few villages which are extremely far, maybe 2 hours, 3 hours, not 3 but maximum 2 hours journey.
ग्रेस कहाँ से आती है पढ़ने के लिए? बोलेगी दूर. कहाँ से आती है ग्रेस पढ़ने के लिए? दरागांव. और आपका सैलू?
We have very few schools in this region, and this being a private school, so they are coming from this. There's a village called Corner Basti, so there we have few students from there and few students from Gandhigram also, which is 1 hour away from Vijayanagar. So I feel maybe it's because of the education and their parents, the need that they feel that their kids should go to a better school, and private school has this notion of being better everywhere. So maybe that's the reason they send their kids here.
आपका नाम क्या है?
दिशानी
दिशानी।
यस
दिशानी कहाँ से आती है स्कूल में पढ़ने?
घर से
घर से? घर कहाँ है?
घर उधर में सामने
कहाँ है?
उधर में
बाहर है?
यस मिस
आपका घर कहाँ पे है?
उधर पे
उधर में? आपका घर कहाँ पे है?
उधर पे
उधर पे?
If you're asking about the school, we have to keep reminding them because half of their days are spent in school and half are spent with their parents. So I feel it is our duty also to, before the school stands, the nation stands. So I keep reminding them, the teachers keep reminding them about where do they belong to, their identity, their nationalism has to be evolved. So I mean, we have to indulge it inside them.
सरिता बड़े होके क्या बनना है तुमको?
इंडियन आर्मी।
आपको क्या बनना है?
मुझे इंडियन आर्मी।
तुमको आगे क्या करना है?
हमें इंडियन आर्मी बनना है।
आगे क्या करना है?
आगे इंडियन आर्मी बनना है।
इंडियन आर्मी बनना है? तुमको भी? अरे ये सारी लड़कियां इंडियन आर्मी ही बनेंगी क्या?
From class LKG, UKG, they have already built this sense of belongingness towards the nation. I'm pretty sure you can also speak to them and maybe find this out yourself.
आपको क्या बनना है?
फौजी
फौजी बनना है?
यस माय नेम इज पॉल गुरु
आपको बड़े होके क्या बनना है?
सोल्जर।
सोल्जर। और आपको क्या बनना है बड़े होके?
Commander.
Yeah, they are inspired by these army people, I guess.
Yeah.
Assam Rifle and Air Force.
I think they've been seeing them, na? This
Yeah.
is why they want to become like them. So you'll support them? You'll want them to join the army? Serve
Yeah,
the
ma'am.
nation?
Yes, ma'am.
I feel Assam Rifles being here is playing a major role. Assam Rifle is doing outreach programs with local communities as well, other than schools. It has been a helpful hand, definitely, because this is a border area amidst the hills and valleys of the bordering Myanmar. So we definitely need Assam Rifles here. Coming to the part where the local people and the local community, I think Assam Rifles have been a great help to the local communities as well. They are very friendly with the local communities. It's like a family only. Without Assam Rifles, I think now Vijayanagar can not even imagine. Yeah, they keep getting transferred, but every time a new company commander comes in, every time new people comes in, doesn't feel like new strangers are coming in because they have bonded with the local communities here. So I'm pretty sure if you talk to some other person also from this village, they might have the same opinion.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye.